Hi guys, this is RDB from Kingdom 33. I will show to you how to use your equipments and drilling bus, how it's work. You need to know when the equip your equipments and drilling bus. Because if you know this will help you to develop your puzzle fast and raise your power faster and save more time. For train troops, you need to equip your level 5 dragon bus. If you have gold dragon bus, much better. If you don't have, use orange or violet. Because that level 5 dragon bus will reduce the time for training troops. Let's show to you. I use the dragon bus level 5 for the training time. And then is 14 hours, 30 minutes and 58 seconds. I will remove the level 5 dragon glass, then go back to train your troops. Now it's time to bank to finish your training troops. Level 10 is 15 hours and 43 minutes 49 seconds. It's almost more than 1 hour with this by equipping this level 5 dragon glass. Guys, I will show to you. I have level 40 for combat, and I have level 30 iron ring for building upgrades and healing speed ups. For example guys, I will upgrade my blacksmith. Look at this time to finish this blacksmith. 10 days and 17 minutes 27 seconds to finish the blacksmith. Before you are upgrading a blacksmith guys, you need to equip this level 30 ring, iron ring. Equip this ring to reduce the time for upgrading your building. Alright guys, now equip this for the difference almost 2 days. Yes, I think this will helpful in reducing time to upgrade your building. Also guys, I will show you this ring also help in decreasing. I will remove first level 30 ring, then people go to hospitals. Look at this guys, I have 100,000 Yung isa